Mastering Agentic AI Design with Claude, Essential Steps. Learn to design AI systems that make autonomous decisions and adapt to dynamic environments using Claude. Acquire skills in setting up, implementing, testing, and iterating AI designs effectively.
Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of agentic AI design. Did you know that the ability for AI to make autonomous decisions is not just a luxury, but a necessity in today's fast-paced technological landscape? Agentic AI is transforming how machines interact with complex environments, offering unprecedented adaptability and decision-making capabilities. By mastering agentic AI, you equip yourself with a powerful tool, aligning your designs with the cutting-edge trends of the future. Join us as we explore how to harness Claude to design agentic AI systems that are not only efficient but also groundbreaking.
In this block, we delve into the remarkable capabilities of Claude, a tool designed to revolutionize AI design. Claude simplifies the complex process of creating AI systems capable of autonomous decision-making. Its intuitive interface and robust set of features make it easier for designers to integrate AI into dynamic environments. Claude supports seamless integration with existing systems, ensuring that your AI designs are both innovative and practical. With Claude, you're not just designing AI, you're crafting intelligent systems that can adapt, evolve, and thrive in an ever-changing world.
Before diving into AI design, it's essential to set up Claude properly. First, download and install the software from Claude's official website. Once installed, take time to configure the initial settings to suit your project needs. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, exploring its intuitive layout and core features. Understanding these elements will prepare you to tackle AI design tasks with confidence. Remember, a well-set-up Claude not only streamlines your workflow but also enhances the overall efficiency of your AI design process.
Designing agentic AI systems requires a keen focus on several core principles. Firstly, adaptability must be prioritized, allowing AI to adjust to varying conditions seamlessly. Decision-making autonomy is crucial, empowering AI to act without constant human intervention. Incorporating learning algorithms enables AI to evolve over time, enhancing its decision-making capabilities. Interaction with the environment is another vital aspect, ensuring AI can respond appropriately to external stimuli. Finally, maintaining ethical standards is not just a guideline but a responsibility, ensuring that the AI behaves in a manner that aligns with societal values and expectations. The heart of agentic AI lies in its decision-making capabilities. Selecting the right algorithms is paramount, as they dictate how your AI will process information and make decisions. Claude offers seamless integration of various algorithms, allowing you to implement them effortlessly. Once integrated, testing these algorithms in controlled environments is critical. This stage helps you analyze decision outcomes and identify areas for improvement. Iteration is key. Continuously refining your algorithms ensures they remain effective, reliable, and aligned with your AI design goals.
Testing and iterating your AI designs are crucial steps in ensuring their effectiveness and reliability. Conduct regular testing phases to gather valuable data on how your AI performs in various scenarios. Analyzing this data allows you to identify any design flaws or areas needing improvement. Refining your AI based on feedback ensures it remains effective and aligned with your goals. A/B testing methods can be particularly useful, enabling you to compare different design iterations and select the most effective solution. Through continuous testing and iteration, your AI designs will evolve into robust, reliable systems. Designing AI systems comes with its fair share of challenges. One major concern is data privacy. Ensuring your AI respects user privacy is non-negotiable. Additionally, scalability must be considered, allowing your AI to grow alongside increasing demands. Managing computational resources efficiently is crucial to maintaining smooth operation. Unexpected inputs can disrupt AI performance. Designing robust systems that can handle such inputs is essential. Finally, maintaining system security is paramount, safeguarding your AI from potential threats. By addressing these challenges proactively, you pave the way for successful AI implementations.
The landscape of agentic AI is continuously evolving, with exciting trends on the horizon. Self-learning AI is becoming a reality, allowing systems to improve autonomously. Integration with IoT devices is set to enhance AI's capabilities, enabling seamless interaction with the physical world. An increased focus on ethical AI ensures systems align with societal values. Advancements in AI-human interaction are making AI more intuitive and user-friendly. Lastly, there is a growing demand for personalized AI solutions, tailoring experiences to individual users. Staying ahead of these trends is crucial for designing innovative, future-proof AI systems.
As we conclude our exploration of agentic AI design with Claude, let's recap the key principles we've covered. From setting up Claude and implementing decision-making algorithms, to testing and iterating your designs, each step is crucial in mastering agentic AI. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are essential as the AI landscape evolves. Engage with our community by sharing your thoughts and insights in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experiences and challenges in AI design. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and technology. Together, let's continue this journey into the future of AI.